The 2024 solar eclipse is one of the rarest of its kind, with the next one occurring in 21 years. While people are traveling from all over the world to see the eclipse, NASA scientists will be working during the eclipse to record this remarkable historical event.
NASA's solar eclipse studies will occur on all levels of altitude and will provide new data on a wide range of subjects. I spoke to NASA scientist Noah Petro to learn more about these projects and took a trip to Texas' only NASA Space Center in Houston to learn all I could straight from the experts.
So what is the biggest NASA goal that y'all are going to be working towards during this eclipse? Is it going to be trying to measure the sun like you said, or is it going to be a bunch of little bitty projects?
It's going to be a bunch of projects. Understanding where the path of totality falls on the face of the Earth is one thing. NASA will be launching balloons, suborbital rockets into the path of totality to understand how the Earth's atmosphere responds to this change.
Studying Earth is just the beginning, as NASA is taking this opportunity to learn more about some of the hottest space topics.
Later this year, NASA's Parker Solar Probe is going to make it closer to the sun than it ever has before, making history. Can you tell me more about this amazing mission?
Yeah, the Parker Solar Probe is this really remarkable experiment that NASA has been operating for several years that orbits the sun. Coming up this year, we'll actually take the spacecraft closer to the sun's surface than we ever have before. Something that a decade ago we might have thought was impossible is going to be possible now with this remarkable mission, and the remarkable people who operate the mission are going to guide it safely through the sun's atmosphere.
While people in Houston might not be able to see the eclipse in full totality, NASA Space Center Houston is holding a number of solar eclipse events. This includes presentations from esteemed scientists, interactive events, and a magnificent viewing party.
From mini labs set up to show the eclipse dynamics, to fascinating presentations and artistic interpretations, NASA had much to offer for eclipse enthusiasts. People have traveled to Texas from all over the world to take in all the solar eclipse has to offer.
I'm from Baumholder, Germany.
We are coming from Florida.
I'm from Costa Rica, right?
All three of these eclipse enthusiasts will then make another trip to see the path of totality, taking them on a full space-driven Texas tour.
And we're heading to San Antonio this evening.
What is the name of the city? We're gonna be in Ennis.
It's in a place called Ennis.
While these activities are a blast, NASA's most important goal during this solar eclipse is to continue their work in pushing humanity further than ever. With North Texas Television, I'm Avery Callens.